Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ridhi in case you're new here, and today I am back with another Diwali makeup look. This time around it's a very simple look to create. It won't take you long at all, and I also used all the drugstore products in this video. So I hope that you guys enjoy the tutorial. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. I am going to start by using the Color Bar Spotlight Primer. Now this time around I really wanted to do something simple because the previous Diwali video was a little out there, because also I realized that not a lot of people will be going out this year to celebrate but still kind of want to get ready for Diwali. Now I am going to use this. I recently ordered this from Nykaa during the Diwali sales. This is by Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighter in shade 01 Light Pink. So I'm gonna use it underneath my foundation. Ooh, that's a lot. I did put a lot. I am going to be like a tin man today. Wow. I'm gonna use my sponge to blend it actually. If I'm being honest, I'm not that big of a fan of even like Cover FX liquid highlight drops, because from far away it looks like a glow, but in actuality this is really glittery, and so is the Cover FX drops, I'm being honest. And along with that I also ordered this from Nykaa again. This is a new foundation from Color Bar, the 24 hours weightless liquid foundation, and I ordered the shade FW 3.3. I am going to start with one pump. Okay, straight away that's darker for my skin tone, but maybe it will match with my neck better. It didn't blend out really good. Okay, maybe I will have to work this in very quickly. Yeah, it is kind of darker for me. Maybe I want to try and use the brush with this foundation. As far as the liquid highlighter goes, I can still see it through my foundation. So yeah, it's not glowy, it's rather like glittery. This foundation has a very like creamy consistency. Usually I like my more like runnier foundations. I don't know what I'm feeling about this foundation yet. I'm also going to use it on my neck so that it matches better. Even this is new to my collection. This is the Wet n Wild concealer in shade Light Ivory. This is a little bit lighter for my skin tone, so it will sort of balance out the dark foundation. All the products that I will use in this video will be drugstore, will be very affordable. This concealer almost needs no setting. It is on a drier side. To set, I am going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and this is in the shade 020 Nude Beige. Now if you ask me, I'm not a foundation girl. Really, I just put concealer under my eyes and on my T-zone. Like wherever I go, I rarely use foundation. So I don't know even if I will be putting foundation. So I'm going to use this shade all around my lid. Just a wash of this shade will go all around my lid. I'm just going to use a brush to blend it in. I'm actually using a face powder on top because I didn't wanted that much of color payoff. I just wanted a wash of that color. Now I'm going to go into this shade right over here with a pencil brush. In this I'm going to pack really close to my lash line. And sort of going to wing it. You see how simple it was? I didn't have to use any kind of like, dual fold, because I just want it to be very subtle and sort of like blended. And even if I make a mistake, it's really easy to like do over. And there you go, a supremely simple eye look. Obviously, you can go with some shimmer on top as well, and that will oomph the look a little bit more. But this is so subtly beautiful. This is gonna dust out any like fallouts, if so any. Truly, I love this palette. It does not have any major fallouts. Now, I am going to go in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I am going to use the Faces Ultimate Pro Bronzing Powder. I do really love this bronzing powder because it's not like too pigmented. So you do sort of need to build it up. But that's actually good because sometimes you can go really heavy with bronzer if they are like overly pigmented. And I do really like the shade of this bronzer. It's beautiful. Now for the blush, I'm actually going to go into this shade right over here because why not? So I'm gonna pick a little bit, dust it onto the back of my hand first, and then go on my cheeks. I just go onto the back of my hand first to take off the excess. So now to highlight, I am actually going to use an eyeshadow. So this is the Kiko Milano Wet Eyeshadow in shade 208. And this is actually this like pretty golden highlight. It's beautiful. You will see it for yourself. Okay guys, so here's the thing. I actually went offline, removed my base makeup and redid it because my base was looking extremely heavy. I used the exact same products to do my base, just without this, and also a little less foundation than the previous time. My base already looks a million times better. This? Nope. Nope. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade and smoke that out. And with a pencil brush, grabbing that same shade, the darker shade will go very close to my lash line. I'm not going to smoke it out as much as the previous shade. For my lip color, I am going to use the Faces Canada lip pencil in shade Tea Rose. I am going to use the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in shade Nudist Peach. I actually used a little bit of this shade on top of the lip color just to give that monochromatic look. Now I'm again going back in with the Nudist Peach, just right onto the center. Now I'm going to use the Colored Bar Shine Lip Gloss in shade Gold. Okay, so that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I learned something. I am so happy that I did this makeup look. As you can see, it was a pretty simple look to create. It won't take you a lot of time to create it. If you love the tutorial, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment down below what is your favorite part about this makeup. You share this video with your friends and family because, hey, it's Diwali. They can benefit from it, right? Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. I hope you guys stay safe, stay happy, stay inside. Do not burn crackers, light up some diyas, make rangoli, do your makeup, get ready, and that is how you can celebrate your Diwali. Stay safe, stay happy. I will see you all next time. Bye!